welcome back to my channel. And guys, I know I've been MIA for a couple weeks now, but I'm back with another video. So I'm gonna be doing a room tour. I've changed a lot of things, guys, in my room so far. And guys, the main reason why I was gone was because last weekend it was actually my birthday. One of my birthday gifts was actually to dye my hair, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did dye my hair. I cut it shorter and dyed it, so hopefully you guys can see on camera, but if not, yeah, I dyed my hair, so maybe that's why I look a little different. And also, for one of my birthday gifts, my mom wanted to redo my whole vanity area and get like new furniture, a new vanity desk, just everything. So we ended up doing that, and I am in love with my new vanity, and I'm just like basically in love with my room. I changed a lot of things in my room. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did paint my walls. They used to be pink and purple, but I did paint them to gray and white now. So the plan was first just to get me new furniture and new vanity desks and stuff, but then we ended up just redoing my whole room. Some things I did keep the same, but majority of the stuff in my room is changed. If you guys want to see what my room looks like now, just keep on watching and let's get started into the video. Okay guys, so this is basically what it looks like right when you enter my room. So right when you walk in, I first have this white rug on my floor. It's just a plain old rug right there. Okay guys, so my door is right there, and then when you look to the left side, I basically have these drawers right here. These drawers are actually from Michael's, and I store basically all my makeup in here. So let me just show you guys a couple drawers. So I have like just random makeup. These drawers are just filled with makeup. And I did stack two of these drawers on top of each other. And I did get these drawers at Michael's. You can find them at IKEA as well, but I did get these at Michael's. So I'm not going to get into depth in that. But if you guys want to see an updated makeup collection video, just let me know. And then at the top, I have these jewelry holders where I just keep a whole bunch of necklaces and chokers. And then in the back, I have some perfume and like fragrant mist. And then at the top, I just have this little wall decal, which just says, "You are fearfully and wonderfully made." Psalms 139:14. So right here, I basically have my whole vanity area. Right here, I have my chair, which is like a little cute pink bench. So it looks like this, and it actually opens up, guys. And so I basically keep like my purses and makeup bags and stuff like that in there, which is really nice. And also I keep like some curling irons and straighteners in there as well. The way back, I don't know if you guys can see, I have my little trash can, which needs to be taken out, but I just have my little trash can. Next is my vanity table. So this is my desk. This is just a white desk, and it has marble glass on top, and then it actually has a drawer that pulls out like this. And I just have a whole bunch of makeup right here, which, like I said, I'm not going to get into depth on it, but if you guys want to see a makeup collection video, just let me know. So that's that drawer. And then on top of my vanity, I have my mirror right there. If you guys can see me a little bit. I have my mirror right there. And then right here, I have a whole bunch of makeup brushes. I have some eyelashes where I just keep it on a little plate. I have this little elephant thing that actually keeps my jewelry, like some rings and bracelets. And then on this side, I have a couple of more makeup brushes. I have this little drawers where I just keep my jewelry in here. So I just have like a whole bunch of hoop earrings, just a whole bunch of earrings in there. And then I have some cotton swabs at the top. And then I also have this cup that just says "Hello Gorgeous." And I drink water almost every day, guys. So I like to fill this cup up with water. And then at the top, guys, I have my lights up there, and then this mirror. And then moving on to this side, I have this little 10 drawer organizer. And at the top, I just have a whole bunch of like lotions and setting sprays, hair products, just a whole bunch of stuff. Tissues in the back, some more lotion. Guys, in these drawers, I just have lotion, deodorant, hair ties, brushes, like just that kind of stuff in there. And then moving over here on my walls, I have this little dangly thing where I keep my photos. So I have some Polaroid pictures at the bottom, and then just some pictures that I printed out. And then this wall, I have nothing. And then right here, I just have this little nightstand, which on the bottom, guys, I just have like a whole bunch of random stuff, which I need to clean that out later. So then right there, I have a little vase of flowers. I have these drawers where I just keep random stuff like headphones, chargers, glasses, and stuff. And then I have my lava lamp. I have this picture frame. I have this picture of me from my quinceañera just right there. And then this little tiny fake plant. And then, guys, this is just my bed. It's just a basic bed. And right there on the side, I just have a little pull-out table I can use whenever I need it. And then on my wall right here, I have this thing that actually one of my friends made me. Just pictures of us, so I just have that on my wall. So right next to that, I actually have these dresses that are hanging on top of like these pipes on my walls. So these dresses are for my sister's wedding. And my quinceañera dresses right there. We just have the dresses hanging there for now, but once her wedding's over, of course, we'll take them out. But so far, we just have them hanging in my room. And then over here, I also have a little white chair right there. And then I have this mirror, which, guys, I need to update it. It's just a mirror right there. And then I just have this flower on the side. And guys, don't mind my outfit and my tripod and my phone. OTD tank top and some ripped jeans. And then over here, I have my backpack just sitting there. I also have this little fluffy chair that actually opens up as well, like you can tell. And basically what I have in there, guys, is just a whole bunch of like pillow pets and pillows in there, so it's not really anything. And then right here I have this little sign that just says move your sauna. And then on this corner, this is just kind of a random corner, so I just have folders, books, and stuff like that in there. And then I have like my Polaroid camera, my DVR for my TV, which is up there. I have the thing behind my camera. I basically just have like my Bible, a couple other books, and then I have this mason jar which has like markers and pens and stuff. And then right here I just have my little calendar for May, and then just like I said, my TV right there. Okay guys, so that's basically the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know my room wasn't like all that, but this is pretty much what my room looks like at the moment, and I'm pretty happy with the changes that I did to it so far. Comment down below if you guys have any other video suggestions, or like I said, if you guys want to see me do an updated makeup collection video, just comment down below and I will love to do that for you guys. And if you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I'll just see you guys in my next video. Bye!